In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sleep and wake issues in Windows 11. Start by right-clicking the Start button in the center of the taskbar. From the menu that opens, click Terminal Admin. If a permission prompt appears, click Yes. This opens an elevated terminal window so you can run power diagnostics that show what is affecting sleep and wake behavior on your PC. Now type the available sleep states command shown on your screen. If needed, pause and copy it from the pinned comment, then press Enter. Windows will display the sleep states your system supports, such as standby or hibernate, and it will also show any states that are unavailable along with the reason. This tells you what your hardware is actually capable of using. Next, type the power requests command shown on your screen. Again, pause if you need to copy it from the pinned comment, then press Enter. This checks for active requests from apps, services, or drivers that are currently preventing the computer from going to sleep. If you see something listed under Display or System, that item is likely keeping the PC awake. After that, type the last wake command shown on screen, then press Enter. This command reports the exact device or event that most recently woke the computer. In many cases, this will point to a mouse, keyboard, or network adapter, which helps you identify what needs to be changed next. Now type the wait timers command shown on your screen and press Enter. This displays any scheduled wake events that are allowed to bring your PC out of sleep. These can include maintenance tasks or update-related tasks that are set to wake the system automatically. Then type the device query command shown on your screen and press Enter. This command lists every device that is currently allowed to wake your PC from sleep. Look through that list and note any devices you do not want waking the computer. Once you have identified the problem devices, right-click the Start button again in the center of the taskbar and click Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the category that contains the device you saw in Terminal. Right-click that device and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow this device to wake the computer, then click OK. Repeat this same process for any other devices you want to stop from waking the PC. Next, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type Control, then press Enter to open Control Panel. If Control Panel is using Category View, click Hardware and Sound, then click Power Options. If it is already using large icons or small icons, click Power Options directly. In Power Options, click Change Plan Settings next to your active power plan. Then click Change Advanced Power Settings. In the Power Options dialog, find Sleep and expand it by clicking the plus icon. Under Sleep, expand Allow wake timers. If your device has a battery, set On Battery to Disable, and set Plugged In to Disable. Then click Apply and click OK. This stops scheduled wake timers from turning the system back on. Now stay in Control Panel and click Power Options again if needed. In the left sidebar, click Choose what the power buttons do. At the top of the page, click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. This unlocks the options lower down on the page. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup Recommended, then click Save Changes. Fast Startup can interfere with normal shutdown, sleep, and wake behavior, so disabling it removes another common cause. Next, press the Windows key plus R again. Type the command shown on your screen to run the Power Troubleshooter. If needed, pause and copy it from the pinned comment. Launch the Troubleshooter, then follow any on-screen recommendations it provides. At this point, the main fixes are complete. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your PC's sleep and wake issues should now be resolved. The commands in Terminal helped identify whether the cause was a device, an app, a driver request, or a scheduled wake event. Then, you disabled unwanted wake permissions in Device Manager, turned off wake timers and power options, and disabled fast startup in Control Panel. The Power Troubleshooter then checked for any remaining power configuration problems and applied any fixes it found. If the issue continues after all of this, update your graphics and chipset drivers through Device Manager or Windows Update.